Hi, my name is Brennan Galley. I'm the product specialist for Akai Pro in Canada, and I'm doing these videos today to cover some of the comments and questions that have been on my YouTube videos. Thanks for leaving those behind. I appreciate it. One of them was how do I multi-arm audio tracks? So you can see I have my MIDI tab. This is usually what I'm looking at, and so I can switch that over to be my audio tab on the bottom. And when I'm inside of here, I can create multiple audio tracks. Here's audio track 1, 2, 3, 4. I can go up to 8 audio tracks when it's in standalone. And really the question was how to do multis at once. If I hold down this, if I press my record arm and I hold down shift, now I can go through and I can multi-arm tracks like that. And so now those tracks are all armed together. So I held down shift and then was able to multi-arm them. And if I want to do any kind of setup right here, this eyeball tab, here's where I pick my ins and my outs. So right now on audio track 1, it's doing a stereo input. I could just set that to mono though and do input 1. I can go and then say, okay, audio 2, let's set that to input 2, audio 3, input 3, and one more, right? Audio 4, input 4. There we go. So now when I press record and play, I'll be recording down those audio tracks. I don't have anything plugged in right now, but that just shows you how to set it up. And yeah. I hope that helps you out. I hope that answers questions for multi-arming audio tracks. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below.